Hi, season's greetings to you guys. How are you guys doing? How are you guys preparing for this season? I hope you don't forget that Jesus is still the reason for the season. Don't go making merry forgetting the reason for this season, okay? Anyways, welcome to another video. So on today's video, we're going to be looking at what we call compound words. That is another way that words actually changes form, okay? If you're just joining us, try watching our previous videos, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to this day. You will actually understand how far we've moved and the things we have learned so far. So today I'm going to be looking at compound words, how words equally change form from being a single word to being a double word to being a triple word. Yeah, there are words that could be combined in 2 or in 3 to give us another word entirely. That is what we're going to be looking into today, and they are called compound words. Okay, so I have some list of words right here on the board. I'm going to be showing you guys how they can actually transform from the particular word they are to becoming another word. Okay, so let's go. I have foot, water, morning, eye, face, finger. Foot, water, morning, eye, face, finger. And I equally have print, wear, can, latches, mask, routine. I have print, wear, can, lashes, mask, routine. Okay, now we are familiar with all these words because we use them on daily basis. We use them for sentence construction on daily basis. Okay, we know the foot, part of the body. We still know the eye is another part of the body, the face another part of the body, the finger another part of the body. Water, we use water on daily basis. There is no day you will go without water. We equally have morning, then we have print, we have wear, what we wear, can, we have latches, we have mask, and we have routine. Okay, so let's see what compound word does. Now I have foot here. If I decide to add print, I'll have footprint. If I decide to combine it with this, I'll have footwear. If I decide to take water, add water to can, is going to be water can. Okay, so this goes to this, we have footwear, and this goes to can, we have water can. You can see we actually transformed that to becoming another word and has an entirely different function. Okay, so water can is used for what? Carrying water about, for keeping water. Okay, and we equally have foot and wear. Foot is one part of our body that we know. Wear is what we wear on our body. So the mixture of foot and wear gives us another word, another thing entirely. Footwear, what we wear on our foot. Okay, moving on to morning, we have morning. Morning is a word on its own. We have routine. If I add these two, I have morning routine. Okay, I still have the eyelashes. Adding this to this, I have eyelashes. Okay, we have face. If I add face to this marks, I'm going to have face marks. And if I go for finger, we have finger, and print, it gives us fingerprint. Can you see how we form entirely different words? And that is one of the ways words changes form. Okay, from the list of what we just did, from the combinations we did, we were able to produce new words out of the originals, right? For more insight, let's still see the following words.
So we have bed and room, and he gave bedroom. Class and room, we have classroom. Classmates, class and captain, we have class captain. Weekend, week and end, we have weekend. Highway, dustpan, dust and pan, we have dustpan. Toothpaste, we add tooth and brush, we have toothbrush. Rain and coat, we have raincoat. So you can see how we combine two words and we get another word. So we have bedroom, classroom, classmate, class captain, weekend, highway, dustpan, toothpaste, toothbrush, rainbow. So let's see the next one. We equally have card and board, cardboard, chalk and board, chalkboard, foot and ball, football, eye and ball, eyeball, gold and smith, goldsmith, ice and cream, ice cream, sun and set, sunset, ear and ring, earring, room and mate, roommate, table and spoon, tablespoon. So we have cardboard, chalkboard, football, eyeball, goldsmith, ice cream, sunset, earring, roommate, tablespoon. Okay, so you can see how two words actually join together to produce a new word, and that's what compound words is all about.
Okay, and so far so good. I believe someone is actually getting something in this series. Remember, we are still on Vlogmas series, and this season is actually giving what it's supposed to give. And always have it at the back of your mind in this season that Jesus remained the reason for this season, okay? Even though you have to celebrate, even if you have to do every other thing, don't forget that Jesus is still the reason for the season. And whatsoever you got to do, let it be something that is pleasing before His sight, okay? And in conclusion, here we call it short for today's video. Don't forget, if you're seeing us for the first time, don't make it your last. You can actually join us simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because in that way you get notified whenever we post a new video. And that being said, keep staying safe. See you soon in our next class, and bye for now.